Alright guys, we're doing a cleanup on the boat today. Putting down some new carpeting. So this is the old stuff we get. That's all the old crap. We're gonna put all new in. This is kind of the new carpet. It's not in place yet, but give you an idea. Keep checking back. It's going to be a fun one. Okay, new rug is in place. Joe's just stapling it down, and we're going to glue the rest of it. Then the seats will go on top of it, around there, so nobody will see it. And we gotta clean all this stuff. Yeah. Can't wait. Okay. It's after hours. I basically trying to clean up everything on the boat. It looks 1,000 times better than it did. I've still got to wash it all down with probably Tilex would be the best thing to get all of this grime off, but that looks almost brand new. Carpet is in place. The table is down. The captain's chair is mounted. Even the canopy doesn't look that horrible. It's pretty much a terrible color green, but it is what it is. So that's what I got going. We actually redid some of the seats, if you remember, but the sun kind of destroyed them again a year later because the people in Joann's Fabrics gave me the wrong, I guess, vinyl. It was indoor vinyl, not outdoor vinyl, so it was very thin, but you can see how it just looks horrible. But we've got to redo these seats next. That's the whole back. And this puppy will be ready to go on the water. Alright guys, like and subscribe. And we'll see you guys later.